Airplanes these days are no longer strange to most people. In order to fly, the most important thing for an airplane is the engine. This is a jet engine. For fast flight, larger payload, it needs more powerful engine. Therefore, there is a great risk when the engine sucks and pushes the airstream. An accident on an American aircraft carrier. This is a large jet engine aircraft.
Turbofan design. The turbofan can be thought of as a high-tech propeller inside of a duct called a diffuser.
Let's monitor the power of the engine as it works. And watch what happens when a car passes behind.
Driven by a gas generator. The core. The core of a jet.
The moving car, weighing nearly a ton, was blown away and torn apart. This is a test with another car. The engine is increased power, increased thrust. Again, the car was blown away and the bodywork was torn apart. This is the reason why airport security is always required to be strictly enforced. Because if not, the accident, if it happens, will be very catastrophic, very serious. And there is no chance to rescue, like this simulation of a person standing in front of an airplane engine. The engine's formidable power made it easy for the front suction to suck a human body into the engine's intake. And the suction impeller system will crush, even many people. And in fact, there was an accident on an American aircraft carrier. A ground worker was sucked into the engine's intake manifold.
Petty Officer J.D. Bridges was sucked into an engine while checking the launch mechanism of the aircraft. The flight deck crew member was stuck inside the engine intake for 3 minutes, but managed to come out practically unscathed.
The fighters are also equipped with very powerful engines.
He then exited the area, and the pilot got ready for launch. Petty Officers J.D. Bridges
And errors in the working process caused the accident.
Checking the holdback bar, launch bar, and catapult shuttle. After their inspection, they were supposed to let the pilot know if anything required adjustment or was unsafe. Otherwise, the pilot would have increased the engine power to proceed with the control surfaces check.
The incident happened very quickly, only in seconds.
In an almost straight position. How Bridges was walking next to the portside engine intake of the intruder,
And there was no possibility of saving the situation.
was his arm. That got him stuck between the engine's nose cone and the intake, and prevented him from...
A helicopter is no exception. The power of the engine is reflected in the propeller. And it's also ready to shred whatever falls in. Because of the risks of such serious and catastrophic accidents, security in the aviation industry is always performed to the highest standards in the field of transportation and military.